What's up guys, welcome to my video, and this is another day. But anyways, so for those of you who don't know, I joined the Navy after our Las Vegas trip, and after that I did the basic training, which is we call it boot camp. It was alright, I guess. But so I joined in February, and then graduated on May. Then that's when my mom and dad went to Chicago to celebrate my graduation, you know. Then after that, I met some friends during boot camp. I hang out with them and my mom and dad. Here's some photos. So after our graduation, our liberty, call it liberty for free time, I went to A school. So A school, where I get to learn my rate, and that took me around 4 months, I think, or 3. Then after A school, I went to C school again here in San Diego. So I get to hang out with new friends. So yeah, after that, like maybe around, I think 2 months. So around February to September, I didn't get to see my siblings and my grandmother. So here I am going back to Hawaii. So after that a long period of time, I get to see my family again. Yay! Miss ko kayo. Ano ko pa? Naka-uniform. May McDonald's.
Nay, kain ka na na.
Ano ba yan? First meal ko sa Hawaii, pagbalik, McDonald's.
Bumili lang ako kasi ano.
Walang sinigang? Walang sinigang? Saan pala yun ano?
Bukas na anak ko mag-ano.
Pagsigang joke lang.
Sigang na lang bukas.
Ubus na yung french fries.
Ano yan? Hindi meron dito.
Ayan o.
Ayan o.
Mainit.
Nagkakot kami ni ate.
Ba't di sumama si Riam?
Over si daddy. Kala mo 7:30 ay 8.
Kala ko 8 o'clock pa siya.
A few moments later.
Tok tok tok. The trunk, please. miss ko kayo.
Bangkat ka, no?
Oo.
Oo, parang bangkat ka.
Brian!
Hi.
No. Is it like...
Pinagkita yung Maya.
Is it skinny?
Yeah.
I'm skinny?
I was expecting that you're gonna run to him.
Kaya nga eh. In-expect ko pa naman, tapos nakaupo lang dyan.
Gumagano lang.
Ha?
Kulot na naman yung buhok mo.
Oo.
Ay,
Siyempre.
Hindi, maganda yung ganyan. Mas gwapo.
You smell weird.
I smell weird.
Yeah.
Why? Do I smell different?
It's like a mixture of two scents. Scent.
Bakit parang ang luwag yan kung
Oo nga, pantangkad mo na.
Oh my god!
No. Look at you.
Hindi tinanggap ko. Oh my god. Wala ang katagtang ka. Kakadaya. Tumangkad ka. Parang wala naman.
Pero ba't ganun pa rin yung height ko do? It's 5'8".
Hindi, parang
5
tumangkad.
feet, 5'7 ko lang,
5'8" ako.
5'7
You
ko
drink
yun.
coffee?
5'8" ako.
In my...
5'9 ka na.
No. Hala, ganito pa din. Hala.
In my...
Miss ko yung hug mo.
Oh my god.
Miss ko yung hug mo. Oh. Ah, ano nangyari sa kwarto? Nag-iba yung... Wow, ang galing. Wala. Nag-iba yung itsura. Ba't parang mas maayos niya? Mas maluwang. Mas maluwang.
Ayos lang din namin ni Daddy kahapon.
Ang maluwang. Saan galing yung flowers?
Hindi ko din na alam eh.
Saan galing yung tulips?
Hindi ko alam kung sa dalawang yan.
Kala ko ikaw, ano?
Ako?
Hindi niya alam yan. Yung dalawa, hindi ko alam sa dalawang yan.
How galing kila Riam? I thought it was yours.
Meanwhile. The next day.
Look at this! You're so tall! So tall! Yo! Ang tangkad mo na! Why you look like what? It's so weird. You're getting shorter. Shut up. Wala. Mayroon tubig.
Bye na.
Uuwi ka? Hindi ka
Ay,
sama.
saan pupunta?
Sundin si mami.
Ay, alam, nakakita niyo na ba siya?
Oo, okay.
Oh.
Nakita ko siya.
Kagabi. Oh my God, ikaw na lang yung hindi nakakita
We
sa
were
akin.
sleeping in ano?
Pumunta ako doon kanina.
Oo, yung bank.
Nakita ko yung building niyo. Doon. Nakita niyo kami doon. Ay, nahanap niyo yung boat namin.
Yeah.
Boat? You mean ship?
Parang bahay lang yun. YR94 yan. Nakita ko yung... Oh, dito sila.
Alam ko yung bank nyo. Is it like yung tatlo siya?
Yes, tapos
It's really small.
tight. It's
Ang
really tight.
Ganun talaga sa ship.
Sama ka pala sa amin? O ano? Saan kayo
Sama
ka?
Sama ako.
Dito tayo sa metro.
Oo, sa akin rin ito.
Gugutom na.
Siyempre ang liit ng... Ang ganda ng lunch nila doon. Magaganda. $30 for that is great. What? $30 for
Yung
all
lunch?
that. Lunch, dinner, breakfast.
Oh, for everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That $30 for
But
that
that's
is cheap.
like... Ang itim mo!
Yeah, I was in the sun for like a lot of hours.
pimples.
Maybe yun, di ba? Yung mga 3 bunks.
Yeah, that's Navy.
Oh, we got woken up at 2 a.m. for a fire drill. Oh my god.
Mas lalo
tired.
masabot ka.
I'm so tired. I'm actually tired.
Magmamakdo pa ba? Hindi, like drive through.
37.
Ano oras ba si mami?
4 o'clock.
Ay, wala na pala.
Hey Siri, call Lisel.
Liso. Liso lang.
Ba't saka natulog?
Sa couch. Of course.
I was
playing with Liam. Oh no. Ano? Hindi maintindihan. Ang choppy. Ang itim.
Paras na tayo ka-itim. Mas maitim na yata ako.
Ala, gumitim ka na.
Because I was in the sun a lot. Inspection, that one today was a lot.
Tsaka ang payat mo. Kainis.
I have to cut it still.
Nung may buhok ko, ganyan pa din. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys on my next vlog. Bye bye.